Hello there! In this video, we're going to guide you on how to register a corporate account on our platform. Firstly, on the login page, you'll find two options, login and register. Since we're creating a new account, let's click on the register button. This will generate a request for location permission, which you'll need to approve. Now, it's time to provide your corporate name. Once done, we move on to selecting the country where your company is located or plans to expand. For demonstration purposes, let's choose the United States of America. Next, you'll need to input a contact number and then provide an email address. It's crucial to ensure that these details are accurate as they'll be used for future correspondence. After the email, you'll need to set a secure password for your account. Once you've confirmed all the details, click on the Submit button to complete the registration process. To access your account, log in with your registered email address and the password you chose during registration. Click on the Submit button. A message will then appear indicating that your registration is pending an admin's approval. We appreciate your patience as we wait for approval from the admin panel. Once your account is approved, you'll receive confirmation indicating successful registration. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this guide helpful.